How to process trauma. 1. Acknowledge the trauma. Recognize that the trauma happened and that it had an impact on you. 2. Reflect and explore. Take time to think about what happened and how it affected you, without reliving the pain. 3. Grieve. Allow yourself to grieve for what you lost because of the trauma. Give yourself the time and space you need to heal. 4. Seek support. Don't hesitate to ask for help if needed during this process. 5. Feel your emotions. It's normal to experience uncomfortable feelings. Don't push them away, face them, work through them, and release them until you feel relief. 6. Don't be hard on yourself. Negative self-talk is common, but remember it wasn't your fault. 7. Challenge negative beliefs. Trauma can shape the way we think. Challenge old beliefs and consider new perspectives to build a healthier mindset. 8. Integrate the trauma. Accept that trauma happened, but understand it doesn't define you. How you handle it is what matters. 9. Practice self-care and self-compassion. Taking care of yourself and being kind to yourself is a vital part of the healing process. Healing from trauma is a journey that takes time, but with patience, self-compassion, and the right support, you can move forward and reclaim your peace. Remember, you are not defined by your trauma, but by how you choose to heal from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.